Okay, welcome back. This is how I actually made my Chief Keef type beat. So if you haven't seen the original 1 minute video, make sure you check that out. So let's get into it. I started with these horns. And it wasn't till later that I realized that they're actually strings. They just sound a lot like horns to me. I don't know, I could be completely wrong. Yeah, it's probably actually wrong. Hang on. Nah, I don't know. What do I do to them? Just 5, bit of EQ. Oh yeah, it's because I cut out a lot of stuff. Hang on. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it makes a bit more sense. Then a bit of reverb just to make them a bit bigger. And then we move into this. So here you can hear an actual horn from Expand as well. Hard trumpet. And then I've also, doing that same pattern, got a weird synth sort of horn from Omnisphere. Where's that? Tea kettle trumpet. Next, I've got these vocal sort of things. This one's from Expand as well. If you couldn't tell, I like Expand a bit. This is a choir pad. That's what it sounds like. So that's really for ambience. And then I've got the more heavy hitting Omnisphere voice. That'll load. Oh, I think that's actually that's definitely gone to the wrong thing. We'll skip that for now. Oh, actually we can't, hang on. I gotta fix that now. Give me a second. I think that's the one actually, to be honest. Maybe not. That could be it. That's the one, I found it. Have a look at that. So, all of those together. So then I stop it, give it a 2-beat pause actually. I think so. Yeah, 2-beat pause. And then I've got this reverse kick. Yeah. So I just put a normal kick down and reversed it, as you can see. To sort of hard riser. And then for the melody, the piece de resistance, cherry on top, is this ARP. It's a slap bass ARP. So you can hear like 3 octaves, I think. I think it says 3 octaves. Somewhere it says 3 octaves. Yeah, there we go. Hang on. 3 octave. And then we'll move into the drums. Start with this kick. That's just a rack kick with a bit of extra processing. This clap is from Rio as well. These hats. I'm not sure why they've done that. Portamento. I think this is a MIDI that I got from somewhere, and I just switched up some of the things. But I haven't used portamento that often with hats, so I definitely have to try that out a bit more. But it does sound nice. Just quiet, and then back into normal. Now next up, the classic chop snare. I'm gonna put them all together. When it's not hitting with the clap, it's much quieter. Well, a bit quieter. And then when it does hit with the clap, it's a bit louder, so I'll play that. Just sort of fills in the gaps. Now this impact, I'll play it by itself actually. Just to make every 2 bars hit harder. Now this church bell, I'll play that by itself as well. Very common in drill music now, and back then I guess. Not too much back then, but definitely now. A lot of bells. Now the 808. Play it all together for you. So I've got the envelope looking like this, so that it stops whenever this does, like this. And I've got, that's a nice waveform right there. Cut itself always on, always at the max, and it's just playing pretty much the root notes with a bit of this sort of stuff, you know, and then chopped up a little bit. But that is pretty much the entire track. I'll play it for you now. That's about it, really. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe. I'll catch you later.